Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a thermostat on a Dodge Charger. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench set, pliers, and a drain pan. It's crucial to ensure your engine is completely cool before you begin, as working with a hot engine can be dangerous. Next, locate the thermostat housing, which is typically found near where the upper radiator hose connects to the engine. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now that you're prepared, it's time to drain the coolant. Position a suitable drain pan directly beneath your radiator to catch all the fluid. Carefully loosen the radiator drain plug or the clamp on the lower radiator hose to allow the coolant to flow out. Once the system is sufficiently drained, proceed to remove the bolts that secure the thermostat housing. Gently detach the housing, being mindful of any remaining coolant. With the housing removed, you can now take out the old thermostat and its gasket. It's important to thoroughly clean both the thermostat housing and the engine's mating surface to ensure a proper seal. Any old gasket material or debris could lead to leaks. Now, carefully install your new thermostat, making sure it's oriented correctly, and place a fresh gasket. This step is critical for preventing future coolant leaks. Finally, reattach the thermostat housing securely and refill your cooling system with the appropriate coolant. Remember to bleed any trapped air from the system to ensure proper circulation. Start your engine and let it run, carefully monitoring the temperature gauge for normal operation and checking for any leaks around the new thermostat housing. This ensures everything is working as it should. Also, for other great deals, and the link to those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.